Did you know that over 2.5 million home invasions occur in the US each year? That's one every 13 seconds. The safety of your family could be on the line at any moment, which is why today we're talking about the top 10 deadliest revolvers for home protection. These are the tools that could mean the difference between life and death in a dangerous situation. Let's dive in. Many people feel uneasy when they think about confronting an intruder, but choosing the right revolver can give you the confidence and ability to protect your loved ones if you ever find yourself in a life-threatening situation. First on our list is the Smith Wesson Model 686, chambered in .357 Magnum. Known for its robust design, this revolver offers excellent balance and reliability, making it a top choice for home defense. The 686 is versatile, with a solid stainless steel frame, and can also handle .38 special rounds for reduced recoil, perfect for new gun owners. Next up is the Ruger GP100, another favorite in the .357 Magnum category. Its heavy frame helps absorb recoil, making it easy to shoot even for beginners. This revolver is built to last, with a triple locking cylinder to ensure strength and alignment. It's known for its durability and smooth trigger pull, making it one of the most trusted revolvers in the world. Moving on to the Colt King Cobra, a classic. Chambered in .357 Magnum, this revolver is famous for its precision and handling. The King Cobra has been recently revived by Colt, offering modern enhancements while maintaining its aggressive and iconic design. At number 7, we have the Taurus 856. This revolver is chambered in .38 Special and is ideal for those seeking a more compact option. With a 6-round capacity and ergonomic design, the Taurus 856 is easy to handle, affordable, and packs enough power to protect your home effectively. Next on our list is the Smith & Wesson Model 629, chambered in the powerful .44 Magnum. This revolver delivers incredible stopping power, making it one of the most powerful handguns available for personal defense. It's ideal for those who prioritize sheer force in a home defense situation. Another strong contender is the Ruger LCR. This revolver is chambered in .38 Special or .357 Magnum, and it's known for its ultra-lightweight design and reliability. The LCR, lightweight compact revolver, is easy to carry and conceal, but don't let its size fool you. It's powerful enough to stop any threat in your home. The Colt Python is another revolver that's widely regarded as one of the best in the world. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the Python is famous for its smooth trigger, precision, and sleek design. It's a high-end option, but one that provides exceptional accuracy and performance for home defense. As we get into the top 3, we have the Colt King Cobra Target, a high-performance revolver designed specifically for precision shooting. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the King Cobra Target is perfect for home defense, offering a balanced combination of accuracy and stopping power. Coming in at number 2 is the Ruger Super Redhawk, chambered in the powerful .454 Casull. This revolver is built for extreme stopping power. Its rugged construction and heavy frame make it perfect for high-pressure situations where you need to neutralize a threat fast. And finally, the number 1 revolver for home defense is the Smith & Wesson Model 327, chambered in .357 Magnum and .38 Special. The Model 327 offers an 8-round capacity, lightweight scandium alloy frame, and excellent handling. It's the ultimate revolver for those who want both power and ease of use in one package. Choosing the right revolver for home defense is about finding the balance between power, reliability, and ease of use. Whether it's the compact Taurus 856 or the powerhouse Ruger Super Redhawk, these revolvers are trusted by homeowners and experts alike.